running and testing out this 460 Husqvarna Rancher, cutting up some giant cookies. This is all poplar. Man, it's running good, running good. All right, let's cut up some slab wood. almost there. Let me put you back in the picture here. That was cool. Man, it's running good. Get some production done today. It's nice to have it back and running good. Oh yeah, back to getting some cutting done. All right, saw is back up and running. If y'all follow the channel, I had a few issues with it, couldn't figure it out. I sent it off to a buddy of mine that has probably a little bit more patience when it comes to this, and it was the magneto was just spontaneously breaking down sometimes and sometimes not. And boy, she's running like a champ again. I love it. So one thing I like about the Husky is they have a great anti-vibration setup on it, so that head moves around and doesn't wear up through your arms. So this chainsaw coupled with a 24-inch bar is like perfect, because you don't have to bend over a whole lot if you're bucking up slabs like I was just doing, and especially small trees and stuff like that. But 59 cc's of goodness. So I'm running the X-Cut chain on it as well. So I've been really happy with the X-Cut chains on these saws. So super happy, but I need to go put some fuel in it. She's out of fuel.